Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for Audible affiliate program. So if you want to make money by promoting Audible audiobooks and memberships to your audience, you can actually do this through the Amazon Associate program, which is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. And here's how to get started. So first, open your web browser and go to the official Amazon Associates website, which is just go ahead and type in Amazon affiliate program, and it's going to take you right into this website. Now, the Amazon Associate program allows content creators, publishers, bloggers, and other qualifying participants to earn commissions by referring customers to Amazon through special affiliate links. Now, once on the Amazon Associate website page or homepage, just go ahead and click on the sign up button to create an associate account. Now, if you already have an Amazon account, you can use your existing Amazon login details to sign in and begin the application process. Now, if you do not have an Amazon account, you need to create one first. Then follow the on-screen instructions to provide the information required to create your Amazon Associate account. So you may be asked to provide details about yourself and the person or organization that will receive payment from the program. So enter your information accurately in the form that will be provided and make sure the details you provide match your payment and tax information where applicable. The next thing is Amazon will ask you where you plan to promote your affiliate links at the websites, mobile apps, or other qualifying platforms where you intend to share your affiliate link. And if you plan to promote Audible through your YouTube channel, make sure that you provide your YouTube channel information when requested. And you should only add platforms that you actually own or manage and that comply with Amazon's Associates program requirements. So during the application process, Amazon may ask you questions about your content. You may need to select the categories that best describe your content and explain how you attract visitors or viewers to your platform. So provide accurate information about your content, your audience, and how you plan to promote product. Okay, so Amazon may also ask how you intend to generate traffic to Amazon through your affiliate links. You select the traffic sources that genuinely apply to you. Answer the question honestly because Amazon reviews applications based on its program requirements and policies. So review all information you've entered, then submit your application to the Amazon Associate program, and Amazon may review your application and determine whether you qualify to participate. Keep in mind that signing up does not automatically guarantee final approval. You must meet Amazon's eligibility requirements and comply with the Amazon Associate Operating Agreement and program policies. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.